Hi friends, my name is Dwanesha. Welcome to Animate CC class. Now today we will learn about how to trace the bitmap in Animate CC. Now see this, I will show it to you. To bitmap and trace the bitmap in Animate CC, create a new fresh document. I have opened the Animate CC. Go to File, New and click on OK. Now see, a new fresh document appears like this. Now see, we will do about the picture. Okay, what is a picture? Okay, to do this, go to File, Import, Import to Stage or Import to Library, both. Or mostly you import to Stage, shortcut key Control plus R. Go to Desktop and select any file. But I will select any one file from Google or web and you will download it, so you can select. As I will use my best figure, use only PNG. PNG file is more better. As I will use chocolate.png. You can also select any object from Google or web. Okay, as I will not name it as chocolate, so I will name it as uh, dog. Okay, and click on enter key. Now from Google or web, you copy any image of dog. Okay, anything you can copy. Okay, as I will copy one image like this. I will copy one wolf brand dog. Right click, copy image, minimize or close this. Okay, and right click, paste in center. Press Ctrl V in Animate CC. Enlarge the size. When file is heavy, so don't worry, keep another file. Okay. To trace the bitmap, always use PNG file, which you don't use the background in this. Now keep it outside the stage. Don't keep inside the stage because mostly stage is in white color. Keep it outside in stage. Ensure the size like this or use hand tool shortcut key H to do it like this. Now this is a dog. Select this. Don't select like this. Only a click. Right click or go to modify menu, bitmap and trace bitmap. But it is not showing like this. So select modify bitmap, trace bitmap. Okay, select this and you use minimum area 1 pixel and color threshold 100. Okay, click on OK. Corner threshold should be normal, curve fit should be tight. Okay, or smooth. Click on OK. I will undo, right, or modify bitmap, trace bitmap and go as normal corner threshold and normal to curve it. Click on OK and preview. I will do it later. I will undo, right click or click on this modify bitmap, trace bitmap, click on OK and it will trace how much it is, what heavy file. Trace it a little bit blur. Okay, like this. Okay, but when you, so that you can delete all the small parts like this. It depends on the size. Okay, like this. Now see, we can see the clearly dog when it is not clear. So you first undo, go to file, or you go to edit menu and undo will be there here. Okay, undo, okay, or press Ctrl Z to undo. Okay, okay, when it is very blur file, so select this and easily break it out. Ctrl B. And while using lasso tool shortcut key L, delete the extra parts like this. Okay, delete the all extra white parts. Okay, like this. Zoom in and delete it like this. Okay, or when you don't want to do it, you select this first and delete it first. Okay, okay, like this. Again, I will use very clear image. Okay, like I will use not highly complex image, but I will use like this circle dot png, anything you can use from Google or web, and click any one image from Google or web, minimize it, and very simple image. Okay, keep it outside this stage. Modify bitmap, simply trace bitmap and click on OK. Delete the all outlines and inlines in circle. Don't delete the border. Select this, but we have, you want to convert to a bitmap, modify, go to convert to bitmap. Okay, even I will make one figure. Okay, for example, lots of rectangle, lots of squares, lots of ovals, lots of circles like this. And when you have to convert, select this, modify, not document, modify, bit, uh, convert to bitmap. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.